Hello, hello. I'm on the city walk. Today is Saturday. I don't know what date. You can see I'm in my bathing suit. I'm getting ready to go to the pool. But the weather is awesome to come to City Walk and Universal's and Islands of Adventure. They have plenty to do, still have the Super Mario movie out, and I'm about to go and record some content for you. So check out my channel at chrissy'stravels.com and get to know more of me. Here, I am showing you how it's easy to go from the garage all the way to City Walk. You can either walk on the side and the left there, or do as I'm doing and go on the automatic walkway that they have. Of course, one of the walkways going back is actually under renovation, so it's a little boarded off. Currently, right now, you'll see how Universal's has a lot of renovations going on. So it's going to be kind of spread out, but some of them are so cool and awesome to see right now. I love the colors. You can see it from here, see? They redid all the billboards so that you know what's located here in City Walk. It's so bright now and colorful, just like the golf area you're going to see coming up. So you can see in the picture there with the Super Marios how they have that all colorful as well, where the movie theaters is located coming up shortly. And as you can see, it wasn't that crowded. I'm here midday, but today still is going on Grad Bash. But check everything out. I mean, they even did the golf area. Brand new colors, just looks awesome. And it's fun. It's just really fun to play in and just enjoy yourself at one spot. Just to know you can go to the movies, play golf, and enjoy a lot of photo op areas that are well done. They also are always picking up trash. You'll always see it clean here. The bathrooms are clean. Of course, you can't miss out the Voodoo Donut area. This leads to where also the BK bar that is currently here and open, but will be closed soon. And you'll be having Five Guys come. So that's something new, but also the donuts, you can go to the store and you can also order on your mobile and get them at a pickup kiosk over by the water. Of course, here's our famous globe, Universals. I love it. The steam is always coming out, by the way. I just love it. A lot of people taking pictures. And of course, can't forget our Fast and Furious ride that's coming over here. The brand new ride has been extended even further than the old ride that was here. And I just had a picture with the current Fast and Furious that is inside the theme park, but can't wait to see what the cars are for the upcoming ride. This is just the construction site so far. Right here at the Hard Rock, you can see it real clear on the second floor patio. And I thought it was kind of cool, the interior ceiling there of the Hard Rock with all the musical items they did. Just thought it'd be cool. And of course, you can't forget food. My favorite is the pizza that you see on the side, a really good margarita pizza. Of course, others, but Chocolate Emporium is also a place to eat and get your dessert too. Takeout window as well. Epic Universe Preview Center is now closed. I had the joy of seeing it when it was open. So it was amazing to experience there. Sad that I haven't seen the park yet, but hope to soon. There's another staircase and water fountain to go up to the second floor. Thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe for more because I will be bringing it again.